Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss very important topic, organizational effectiveness. So last session we discussed about what do you mean by organization? So we discussed organization efficiency. What is the difference between efficiency and effectiveness? So now we are going to discuss what do you mean by organizational effectiveness? Organizational effectiveness is the concept of how effective an organization is in achieving the outcome, because outcome is very, very important for every organization. Whatever the work you can do that, but what is the outcome the organization tends to produce? So organizational effectiveness groups in organizations directly concern themselves with several key areas. The key areas are like that: talent management, leadership, development, organization design and structure, design of measurements, and implementation of change and transformation. So, what are the things covered under the organization effectiveness? Strategic planning, because whatever it is, you can plan the strategy, then only you can do your work. So, strategic planning, change management, organizational evaluation, BPI, business process improvement, executive coaching, team development and effectiveness, succession planning is a very important term in that organization. In case of any absence, yeah, I mean that any absence, you can allocate the work and you can additional person it will be responsible to take that particular work and you can complete that, right? Succession planning. So performance needs assessment, mentoring programs, training and development. So these are the things covered under that organizational effectiveness. So we already discussed about the creation of value. It's nothing but value creation. I already gave the example like that. As a farmer, you can cultivate that vegetables or rice or anything. And you know that the pain and gain, that is the value, right? So value and wealth of the particular product. So value creation is the process that converts input into output that have more worth than their components. Value can be seen as how much customers will pay for a product or service compared to what a company spends in producing it. So value creation is offering products that meet and exceed customers' expectations, right? So if you're, for example, if you manufacture the product, whatever that you can give, you can take effort and you have to manufacture the product, the customer will like the product and purchase more. That's only the manufacturer or businessman will be very happy, right? So that's only we are saying that how much customers will pay for a product or service compared to that which spends into producing it, right? So value creation for business success, there are three terms are there: value to owners, value to customers, and value to employees. So it will be helpful for the business success. Next, how to measure the organizational effectiveness. So every organization in that previous session itself, we discussed what in the organization is group of employees joined together to achieve a common goal. So goal achievement, whatever the every employee, you know the objective. In that objective towards you can give your effort about that particular work and to achieve the goal. So the KPI, so it's a very important terminology in that HR, that is in that organizational. So key performance indicators. So how to measure that particular goals? You have to measure the work of the performance of the employees. For example, in that organization means revenue growth, market share, or customer satisfaction score. So these are all very important key performance indicators. That's why we are saying that it's a balanced scorecard. So you have to evaluate the performance from multiple perspectives such as financial, customer, internal process and learning and growth. So organizational effectiveness is the concept of how effective organization is in achieving their outcome the organization tends to produce. So you are going to measure that effectiveness of the organization. You're using the KPI, key performance indicators. So these are the things we discussed in that particular session. So rest of the things we will see in the next session. Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you all for watching.